guys, I'm Praneeth. So I have completed my graduation in B.TECH Institute of Technology on specialization of Electronics and Communication Engineering. So I have joined Qspiders in the month of July 2025. For me, through the Qspiders, it was very helpful and very grateful to join here because the trainers are very experienced and they will teach us from the scratch, which is helpful for us to learn more detail about the subjects what we want to learn. So the trainers was very helpful and they are very friendly. So it helps me to learn more quickly. And the HR team was very helpful to us because if any situations are there, they are every time for us. If we want to add any requirements, they will always keep motivating us and they will guide us. So I'm thankful for the Qspiders team and for the faculty who all guided me and very grateful to them. So thank you.